Hello, it's me, Ethan, and today we're going to be making a Loom Band Choker. Probably the title, but yeah. There's nothing for me really else to say, so let's leave my way into this video. We go. That's such a cheesy intro. So we're going to be making this choker. Doesn't matter what colour, but you will need this thingamabob. We have no idea what it's called, but you'll need that, or you could just use 2 fingers and copy what I've been doing. This is not necessary, but you can have like a little charm to put it on to decorate it, but I don't have one on right now. You'll also of course need the little hooks. There's 2 different types of hooks, an S hook or a C hook, and I prefer the S hooks for like chokers and stuff, and then like bracelets for the other C's. And of course you need loom bands, and you can get a pick if you want those little stick things. So you just want to get your thingamabobby, still don't know what that's called, and put the loom band on it with a crisscross version, so there's an X on it, like that. I need to show you top here. Oh, it doesn't matter. And get another colour over the top, or it can be whatever colour you want. It can be different or it can be the same. And with the bottom one, you put it over that one, and make sure that one you had just done is not crisscross, it's on normally. And get another one. I'll show if I can show you one more time, and just put it over the top without crisscrossing. And so just fast motion. So music, play. So this is how it turned out. Cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. What is that? Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video because it took me a little bit to do it, but yeah. So can you please like down below, or you can dislike down below, I really don't care. Comment down below what's your favourite colour, and subscribe, the big red button, not green, red, to become part of the eSquad. And while you're there, press the notification bell so you know when I upload. And without further ado, I can only just say E out.